We're Jewel Song, happy to be with you here today. Happy to be with you here today.
Our first song treats this time of year, the fall, with a special notice of the yellow cloudless sulfur butterflies that are probably now making their fall migration up the coast of North Carolina. It's a short migration. People don't know yet why they make that migration, but they do. And Jewel Song had the pleasure of being at the beach during one of our let's go to the beach and see if we can get creative. And sure enough,
she did.
This song is based on what we saw as these yellow butterflies just kept going down. Has anybody else seen that? Usually late at September, October.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
they're migrating up the coast in
That's
the fall.
So
Kinda
Betsy
backwards.
calls them yellow clueless butterflies.
So they seem to be going the wrong direction.
But they know what they're doing.
This was written by Sophiana, and this is Betsy. I'm Faranisa, and this is Marilyn. We're Jewel
Okay.
Song.
Yellow and gold, ringing above, spiraling dance, singing of love, wandering in the soft and hazy skies, on your journey by the sea. Your sacred dance inspires me. I am entranced by what I see. Lovely cloudless sulfur butterflies, sing your song of love for me. Summoned to flight by nature's hand, wending your way to a new land. Each one alone, each one apart, moving as one great heart. Please sing for me, so I can hear your divine song, joyful and clear. Each of us is like a butterfly, traveling toward divinity. Summoned to flight by nature's hand, wending our way to a new land. Each one alone, each one apart, moving as one great heart. Yellow and gold, winging above, spiraling dance, singing of love. Each of us is like a butterfly, traveling toward divinity. Each of us is like a butterfly, traveling